Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make easy smoothie in Cookingdom full guide. Gather ripe fruit, frozen berries, a liquid base, and a blender, and measure ingredients for consistent texture. Use yogurt or plant milk for creaminess and add a sweetener if needed. Toss in greens, nut butter, or seeds for nutrients. Blend on high until smooth, check thickness, and adjust with ice or liquid. Serve chilled and enjoy a quick, healthy drink that's ready in minutes. For reliable smoothies, keep ratios simple and repeatable for every batch. Start with 1 cup fresh fruit and 1 cup frozen fruit, then add half to 1 cup liquid depending on desired thickness. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter or seeds to boost protein and satiety. A handful of greens blends well with a half banana for balanced sweetness and fiber. Taste and tweak with ice or a splash of liquid until perfect. Small flavor tweaks make a big difference and keep smoothies interesting. Brighten blends with a small squeeze of lemon or a bit of citrus zest instead of adding more sugar. Sweeten gently with half a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, then adjust after tasting. For thicker, colder smoothies, freeze leftover portions in ice cube trays and use those cubes in future blends. These tricks save money and create consistent, delicious results every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.